Hello everyone, welcome to class in physics, and I'm back with a new videos. Okay, and in this video we gonna talk about applications of Ampere circuital law. Okay, the first application is magnetic field due to infinite long straight wire carrying current. Okay, students, as you know, हमने जब आपका बायो सावर्ट लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू इनफाइनाइट लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट वायर कैरिंग करंट को फाइंड किया था, तो व्हाट इज दिस इज vector B is equals to mu 0 2I upon 4 phi r, as you know very well. But same magnetic field हम फाइंड करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू through Ampere circuital law. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I have made a diagram, and in which consider a infinite long wire that is xy and having carrying current I. Okay, and P is the point at a perpendicular distance r from the straight wire. Okay, and magnetic and B is the magnetic field at a point P. Okay, it acting along it magnetic field will be acting tangentially to magnetic field lines at a point P. Okay, and passing through point P, and the magnetic field produced has same magnitudes at all points to the that are the same distance from the wire. That is, magnetic field has cylindrical symmetry around the conductor. Okay, अब नाउ होता क्या है, जो आपका हम क्या करेंगे एज जैसे हमने गॉस थ्योरम में किया था, हमने गॉसियन सरफेस लाइट करते थे, तो इसमें भी हमने क्या करना है, कंसीडर ए एम्पीरियन लूप, है ना, डिस्कस किया था हमने एम्पीरियल सर्किटल लॉ में, है ना। तो सो इसी में भी हम क्या करेंगे, कंसीडर ए एम्पीरियन लूप एज ए सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस आर. ओके, एंड let the Amperian path has made of some small elements. Okay, and now we will take such a one small element at a point P, that is dl. Okay, and we shall integrate the Amperian path anticlockwise. Why anticlockwise? Because the directions of magnetic field is anticlockwise. Why? As you know, आप जानते हैं ना कि जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शंस होती है कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, दैट इज फ्रॉम राइट हैंड थंब रूल. ओके, लोकेट द थंब एट द डायरेक्शंस ऑफ करंट and the curling finger will show the directions of magnetic field. So here is the directions of magnetic field anti-clockwise. So we shall integrate the Amperian path anti-clockwise. Okay, and now magnetic field and small element dl has all the same are acting the same directions. Okay, so here theta will be 0, where theta is the theta be the angle between magnetic field and a small element. Okay, so according to this figure we can find the line integral of magnetic field around the closed loop, What is this? This is closed integral B dot dl, product of magnetic field and current element, small element. Okay, so what is the, if we calculate the dot product, we know in dot product we have to use cos theta, and in cross product we have to use sin theta. Okay, so closed integral P dl cos theta, we will use cos theta because here is the dot product. Okay, so phi closed integral B dot dl is equals to, and theta here theta will be 0. So b dl cos 0, and therefore here cos 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so now we get b dl is equals to b dl into 1 cos 0 1. ओके, so अब आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, वी कैन से क्लियरली दैट इज बी इज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म. ओके, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज अ कंप्लीट एम्पीरियल पाथ या क्लोज पाथ. ओके, क्लोज लूप. तो सो बी इज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म एंड वी विल इंटीग्रेट ओनली dl. okay, and what is the limit is the 0 to L. okay, and here you can clearly say that, see that the here is a circular path, a complete circular path. okay, and the length of complete circular path is a circumference of circular. So here is the circumference of circular, that is L is equals to 2 pi r. okay, so b in integrate, when we are integrating the dl, that is we got L and 0, and L is equals to 2 pi r. okay, so now finally we get b value of b dot dl, integral of magnetic field around the closed loop, that is b and 2 pi r, and the minus to 0, so that is p is equals to 2 pi r. okay, that is the equation 1. That is the equation 1. okay, now ये अलग था आपका. Now we use Ampere circuital law. Now according to Ampere, शॉर्ट में लिखेंगे circuital law. okay, Ampere circuital law. okay, what is that? That is closed integral of magnetic line integral of magnetic field over a closed loop is equals to mu 0 times of current which are through enclosed the closed loop. okay, so equation number 2. okay, now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, here we can clearly see that the left side of the both equations are the same, so the right side will be the equal also. okay, so we can clearly b 2 pi r is equals to mu 0 I, and here we can write b is equals to mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. That is the magnetic field due to infinite long straight wire carrying current via used application of Ampere circuital law. okay, बट हमने क्या देखा था, जब आपको बायो-सावर्त लॉ का हमने यूज किया था, तो उस टाइम पर हमारा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड था b इज इक्वल्स टू म्यू 0 2 i अपॉन 4 पाई r. बट सर अभी तो ये आ रहा है, दैट इज द रॉन्ग सर. ये तो रॉन्ग है. नहीं, ये रॉन्ग नहीं है. इसमें क्या है, इससे 2 से इसमें मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2 से इसको डिवाइड किया, तो आप क्या सिंपली इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. तो सो नाउ हियर द फाइनल magnetic field b is equals to mu 0 2 I upon 4 pi r. That is the solution, final solution. okay, so in next video we have discussed the solenoid. okay, the solenoid, important topic. okay, so keep watching and subscribe the channel. okay, bye bye.